Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's Assyrian stuffed pickles, also called Khiareh Mohsheyeh. Let's first start with the cucumbers. After washing them, you're going to want to prepare them by cutting a slit down the center lengthwise. You don't want to cut them in half and you don't want to go all the way through. You just want to make a little slit. Next, you'll bring water to a boil. Add in your salt and your lemon juice and stir everything well to combine. After the mixture is back to a boil, add in your slitted cucumbers and let them boil for 2 minutes. After boiling for 2 minutes, remove the cucumbers with a slotted spoon and place in a colander to drain. Lay out the cucumbers to dry overnight, or at least 12 hours. Make sure they're in one layer. Now Mama G has hands that don't feel pain, but I would recommend using tongs. After drying, the cucumbers are ready to be stuffed and pickled. To a mixing bowl, you're going to want to create your stuffing. Add in your parsley, your garlic, your spices, and your vinegar. All the measurements will be in the description below. And now you're ready to stuff the cucumbers. Add the stuffing into the slit of the cucumber. Place the cucumbers into the pickling jar, but make sure that the slit is either touching the glass of the jar or touching another cucumber. That makes sure that none of the stuffing will fall out. Repeat this all until all the cucumbers are stuffed and placed into the pickling jar. After all the cucumbers are stuffed and placed into the pickling jar, fill the pickling jar halfway with white distilled vinegar. After that, add in your parsley stems or pickling presser to cover the top of the stuffed cucumbers. Press firmly to make sure that they're set. Fill the rest of the pickling jar up with white distilled vinegar. Close the lid tightly and leave the jar out at room temperature, avoiding any direct sunlight, for 24 hours. After the 24 hours of letting it sit out at room temperature, put it in the fridge for 1 week. This is what the final pickles will look like. Now all you're ready to do is serve them and enjoy. And as always, the recipe is in the description below. Leave any comments or questions, and thanks so much for watching.